How to remove background noise in Capcut PC. For that, open Capcut on your PC, then create a new project. You can simply click on create a new project and you can get on the section. After that, you have to import the video that you want to remove the background noise of. Let's click on import button here and choose any video of your choice. After that, you need to click on this plus button, or you can also drag in order to add to track. Once you have added on the track, you need to right click in order to extract the audio. Here is the extract audio option. Click on it, and after that you need to select the audio here. Once you have done that, on the basic section on the right hand side of this screen, you can see the enhance voice option, reduce noise option, and the voice isolation. You can click on reduce noise and tick mark it. You can also click on voice isolation. After that, if you wish to normalize loudness, you can also click on it or enhance the voice. You can also minimize or maximize the volume if you wish to by the help of this slider. Once you have done that, you can click on the export button and export this video by removing the background noise in Capcut PC. So that's how we can easily remove background noise in Capcut PC. If you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching.